Okay, so in this one, we're going to show you how to do the pattern. So this one, once again, let's start with the sketch and the bottom plane. We're going to select the circle now. I'm going to do it from the center. Just we're going to do 3 circles. So 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, all from the center. All right. And then press D for dimensions. So the outermost circle, this one will be 160 millimeters. The innermost circle will be 130. I mean, just 100 actually. And the second circle will be, but this one, it will be 130.52. Yeah, I know, it will be that exact. All right, so press escape. So what I'll do is that this second circle, the middle circle, I'm gonna click on it, right click, and once after right click, this menu should appear, and notice how we have this option, normal construction. So I click on that, and this makes it into a construction line, meaning that it's just a line for reference. It's not an actual physical line that will define it. So now instead of having two different sections, we only have, or 3 different parts, right? We have just this one, the inner hole and the outside part. So now that it looks like this, I'm going to create another circle for the holes. I can do this in the same sketch. So I can do it. You can see how after the mouse, it snaps over here. So it snaps automatically into the circle. So I'm going to do it over here. And then this one will also actually measure, what is it, 15 millimeters. All right, press escape. And I wanted this circle, I can move it, this circle anywhere around the thing, right? Because it's not fully constrained, right? So I can move anywhere around. I need 6 of this. But I want this, to be in the same line over here, this red line as this one. So I can use a constraint. I can press, in this case, collinear. So this to this, or not, I guess not collinear, because that would have been, so horizontal. Let's try horizontal. This dot with this dot. There we go. So with the center to this dot with the horizontal. And now these two are, in this horizontal to each other. So what I'll do is, instead of doing 6 of these ones, they're 60 degrees apart, I can just use the pattern. So I'm going to go here over to this area in my options. I'm going to click over here and create, because I don't see my things appearing, my other options. So click on create and select circular pattern. All right, so you have 2 options. First, the objects, and then the center point. So the object that I want to pattern, it will be the smaller circle, the 15 diameters. You can see it shows now selected. And the center point, I will select this center point of the whole, of all the circles, the actual center. Or I guess escape. So sorry, I'm gonna do that again. So circular pattern. So select the object, and then on center point, I click on that one now, and then now I select the center. There we go. So by default, it will give me 3 in quantity. I can just go up and select 6, and notice how they are evenly distributed. We can talk about this pattern later on in more detail, but for now, that's all I need. Press OK, and then I'll finish the sketch. All right, and I'll just go back to the original view. And of course, just now extrude, and notice how all the smallest circles in the center circle are hollow. I click on that one, and this one will be a 20 millimeter thickness. And that's pretty much how the pattern works. So you can see I have my 6 holes. They're all evenly distributed, all the same. So of course, make the drawing out of this. You already know how, and then submit that one and turn it in. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this helped you, and I'll see you guys in class on Friday.